Welcome to Umai Teppanyaki on Sun Princess. This specialty dining is more than just food, it's a whole lot of fun. Come on inside with us and see what it's all about. We do recommend you have reservations before you get to the ship. Here's a look at the menu. Our chef was a whole lot of fun. He made the experience great. I also had to learn how to eat edamame. Okay, tell us.
Okay, so to eat edamame, you don't eat the shell, or the outside. You're just going to eat the pea on the inside. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it in your mouth. You're going to take your teeth and you're going to kind of chomp, 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 and it's going to pull the seeds out the back end. Okay? See? The seeds are gone. Seeds are in my mouth. I'll show you what the seed looks like. You getting this?
I get it. I got it. It's got a wide angle on this good there.
See, and that's the seed.
Fantastic.
Just another food tip here from Sea Lake Journeys. Here in the, what is this? Teppanyaki. Here in the Teppanyaki.
Where are you from? Washington. Yes, and here?
Florida.
All the way from Tokyo.
Okay, that's the chicken right there that laid all these
Yeah, there
eggs.
you go. One more. Rolling on my griller. Yes. Rolling. Oh. That's it. Hey!
Be ready to sing along with the chef. Our chef was serving up outstanding culinary skills and great songs. You may recognize this next song. If you do, sing along.
Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, one of these miso soups is gluten-free.
So there you go. Over easy.
Both of them
Make
are
good
hot.
Japanese pizza. Over medium. And over hard. It's all hard.
It's got coconut milk in it.
All ready? Let's go. All right. So 3 meal for 2. 3 dinner for 2. Are you ready? Let's go. There you go. Ready?
There it goes.
1, 2, 3, one more. One more. Come on. It's a bad throw. Ready? 1, 2, like a rainbow. 2.
All the food we had was outstanding. Everything that Robin had was gluten-free. If you have food sensitivities or allergies, let the chef know ahead of time.
Yeah, now. Yeah. Oh, thanks so much. Good night.
Yeah!
Cheaper to 7,300 eggs a day. So it's a hard-working Japanese chicken. Go. Rolling on my griller. Rolling.
Thank you.
Rolling on my griller, go. Eggs in the grill was round and round, round and round, round and round. Eggs in the grill was round and higher. All over the town. Eggs in the grill was round and round. Oh! Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar, baby. sexy tears.
I've never seen that like that.
Got that? Gotta put that on the YouTube channel.
Hit my lip. Almost had it.
Thank you.
It's done, Mom.
Fine.
I'll get it this time.
3, 1, 2, 3.
We had a great time at Umai Teppanyaki on the Sun Princess. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.